my first YouTube check today. I feel good. Gonna be taking my 2015 Turbo Civic to Carfax, CarMax. You're gonna see how much they give me for it. Put a lot of money into this car. I have a feeling they're gonna lowball me. We got a greasy K24 under the hood. I have the PRL Stage 2 Turbo Kit with the RBC intake manifold, Tile Q50 blowout valve, QD fuel rail, QD fuel pressure gauge, PRL catless downpipe. I built the gears 1 through 4, and it has a Precision 6266 turbo. Also got Cosmos Racing XT006 Rs, 18x9 all around, plus 30 offset. Carbon fiber duckbill wing, NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust, 1000cc FID injectors, Acuity shifter bushings. Bro, like, I'm really curious to see what they gonna give me, because car parts ain't cheap.
Corey, I'm gonna smack you, bro.
Oh yeah.
You're not smacking nobody, bro. What you doing, bro?
I live here.
I came here. So go change your pants, bro, if you live here. Go change your pants, bro. I can't go back home, bro. Yo.
You low-key can't go back home.
Bro, for $10 worth of gas? Alright. So we're here at CarMax now. Got my boy Stan right here.
Bro, what's up? My Instagram, Twitter, you know what I'm saying? Follow YouTube coming up too, bro. Or you're gonna be big shit, bro.
What you got? What you got, bro?
08 Honda Accord Coupe for me, V6. I'm sorry, it's automatic. Maybe manual swap coming soon, actually.
Just made it to CarMax. Got my 2015 Civic Si. Got a whole turbo kit on this shit, bro. Let's see what they gonna offer me, bro. They gonna lowball the f out of me, bro.
They gonna be like, how many miles you have? 70,000. How does 10K sound?
Oh shit, my chest is going.
The car has 71,000 miles on it, so that's a brand new Civic. And that shit got AC. They ain't telling me nothing, bro.
Yeah, did you want to get an estimate on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No problem.
What the fuck is this, bro?
Like, bro, what is this thing have?
Let's see what they think, bro. They probably like, yo, what the? Like, yo, wait, what the fuck is this?
Oh my god, whoa, what is that?
Bro, that's my cash can. That's my.
There's something weird to it.
They didn't care about anything but the monster, man. That's crazy. Is that your car? What's up with the monster? Bro, were you serious, bro? That's the only thing you noticed? So you didn't care about the gauges, the intake, you didn't see like the big pipe? None of that?
You saw nothing, bro.
You see the golden
It's a rear mount turbo, bro.
Hey, bro.
4-door side. This clean. Another SI.
We went the wrong way for the
4-door black. Another SI. 18 bands, bro.
74K. Bro!
74K for 18 bands, bro. If you buy this, you're dumb.
They should not offer you nothing below 18 bands for your car.
Oh, nah, facts, bro. Bands.
Take a picture of this, bro. Take a picture of the
Plus the kit, bro. Sleep kit. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Got anything you want to shout out, bro? Good? You good? All right, bro. Corey Wright. Okay.
So you taking the bed out, Corey? Oh no, a trick don't tell you about this place. You take this off, put the key inside, and the car can start, bro.
What?
Yo,
Hold up.
that's crazy.
Who's whipping that shit? Gotta check my shit for scratches, you know.
Probably.
Oh, we good.
Bumpers inside.
This might have been on the highway. Good, yes, sir. I gave them the car like this, bro. Bro, it's worth $0, bro. All these wires and shit everywhere. They probably like, yo, what the f is going on? One of my speaker wires flew off, bro. That shit just sticking up, about to electrocute somebody. Let me just get out of here. I wonder who drove that shit. They had a good day. Let's see. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Bro.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Keep going. Keep going. Where you going, bro? You good, bro? I hate Hondas, bro. Trade my car in. I'm getting an Honda. Bullshit, bro. No, I can't.
You hate Hondas, bro. Why?
What's going on in here? Shine some light.
Oh God! Carbon fiber, my guy. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Oh my God! Everywhere. Everywhere. Oh my God! Carbon fiber. Why?
Sitting on the floor, bro. If you go to UCF and you watching the video, it's your whip. That is tough. It's on the floor, bro. Like literally. So they offered me $5,500 for my car. I paid 18 bands for the car, bro. They'll give more money for that base Civic than my car. Flat out, bro. Bow, 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 bow. That shit popping crazy. Bow, bow. Cute. Cap. Yo, shout out.
It's that anti-lie. It's the anti-lie. I ain't hit boost yet. That's why. Bro, you stuck at it. Stuck at it.
Making noises, bro. Yeah, got some.
There we go. See,
Yeah, got some. Oh, that boost kicking. Oh, yeah.
See this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that boost kicking in, boy.
Yes, sir.
You get arrested.
Oh, fire. Schmack.
How the f are you going inside here?
I don't think he was going inside here, bro.
So where the f was he
That
going?
nigga need to go somewhere, bro. I don't know. God. Oh, schmack.
Bro, stop, bro. Yo.
This is what we whipping.
I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
I don't know why the fuck she came up behind me. Bro, what's good with you, bro? Relax. I'm saying, bro. We're in the golf cart. What we gonna do, bro?
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep